welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys. Hi everybody. Happy Monday. I couldn't resist. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. I am so glad to be back. Now, before I jump into this video, because this is not going to be a long video, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for every single person that messaged me and messaged me on Instagram and sent me well wishes and checked up on me all week to see how I was doing. I'm doing better. I'm doing much better. If you're new here and you're probably wondering what is she talking about, I conquer MS. That's what I say. I don't battle MS. I conquer MS. That's right. I conquer it. I don't battle it. And I'm having a small MS attack. Okay, maybe not small. A little bit big. MS attack. And I wasn't feeling very well. And but everybody, you guys are the best. I mean, your prayers really did the trick. And as my friend Val says, I do have the direct line to God. So I did speak with him. and he said that, yes, I'm good to go. I'm good to go back to work. So when you're watching this video, I will be at work. Now, it's Sunday night. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that yours truly could not sit still at all yesterday. Came down to the basement, which we are in right now, and I cleaned. And I organized, and I took out all the fall. All of it. I took out all the bins. They're all right in front of me, staring at me like a big elephant in the room, because I opened all the lids to see what I'm doing. I'm going to have a video this week. I have a really great idea for a video this week. But before we get into that video, I want to do a little DIY because I'm inspired by all the new things that I bought. That I recently bought at Hobby Lobby and I showed them all in a shopping haul. And yeah, so what I've done is I kind of made myself a faux studio. I'll show you. I got these two doors. This is where I keep all my home decor. You'll see it in another video. We're in an area where I keep all my home decor. So now, the baskets. I am going to use two of these for my fall decor. That is my inspiration. So two of these baskets instead of wreaths on my front door. So I figured this is my opportunity to at least get this started. And I was going to do it with you guys on film. So I hung the basket here. I'm hanging the basket here. I'm going to move the camera over just a smidge. And then I will show you everything that I'm going to use if you're new and didn't see that shopping haul. But if you want to see that shopping haul, I will link it at the end in an end screen. And also I will link it down below because it is a funny shopping haul anyways. So you should go by and see that. Okay guys, so this is what I'm starting with. I'm starting with this wicker basket. You can also find this on Amazon. I have it linked in my Amazon store. And I have all these picks and stuff that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I am obsessed with this thing. I just think it is so beautiful and so different and kind of funky and cool. And someone did tell me what this is called. Apsilium, I don't know, something like that. $9.99 and 40% off. So I took off the tag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this, like I've spread it out, and I'm placing this right at the back. And I think it needs some height. I think I want it like kind of high up. So let me get something. No, actually it stays. I don't know, but I just think that is so cool. I love this thing. And look, already, I mean, look, if you're a minimalist, that's all you need. That's all you really need. I mean, but yours truly is no minimalist. So that's never going to happen. Okay, I got this also. And I showed this in the shopping haul. Now, I think this has a front and a back. Because the front to me seems to have these little bits. And you see where I'm going? I kind of like this organic looking, kind of natural pick, and I think it's just so beautiful. And all I've done is, you know, pried it apart like that. And so simple, right? You just kind of pry it apart, and then that makes everything pop. And the best stuff of this kind of faux greenery or faux florals is that you can manipulate the wires, because everything is wired, any which way you want. So I'm just going to place this down here. And now I can lift that piece up a little bit more. See that there? And now it just, I'm going to manipulate it like that any kind of different way. So I think that looks actually pretty good. Okay guys, I really played with it. I got it to look exactly how I wanted. And now I'm thinking of using this little pumpkin pick. I love this one. I don't think I saw this one last year at Hobby Lobby. So if I did, it's probably, I probably got it and it's already in my bins. Now, what I'm thinking is just have one pick right on the side, just to say, yes, it is fall. One little pumpkin, not overdone. I want it to look elegant, sophisticated, and not too, I mean, that's the look I'm kind of going for this year. Not overly done, more organic. So this will, when my guests come to my front door, they will be greeted by two of these. Now, in saying that, I think it needs a bow. And I love making bows. Totally love making bows. That's an awful big mess. It is not. Let me explain to you how I like to make my bows. I like them unsymmetrical, first of all, and I love doubling ribbon. And I have not fluffed this out yet, so that's why it looks like this. Doesn't look like much, right? Okay. I left a lot of wire in the back, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this to my basket. Sorry, I'm not going to turn my back to you. I wired it to my basket. Now, it doesn't look like much, but this is what happens when you start fluffing it out. I fluff out every single ribbon, and they're all doubled. So what I want to do is manipulate my ribbons to look like much more than what they are. And if I have the plaid on that side and this one on this side, then I will put the pumpkin one on this side and the plaid out that way, so that your bow looks much more impressive. I know, it's just the way I do bows. So that's the way I do bows. I don't know why. I always have. I don't like my ribbons looking symmetrical. I don't like my bows looking symmetrical. It's just something that I do. I've always done it this way, and I really like it this way. So now you got yourself your ribbon and your pretty bow. I'm just going to play with it a little bit more and manipulate it into the shape that I want. And that's the best part, guys, of these kinds of ribbon. Okay, my friends. So I switched out the pumpkin pick. I moved it from that side to this side because I wanted it to kind of incorporate in within the ribbon. Now, I might change it out, but this is a good starting off, jumping off point, some inspiration to get you motivated to think about fall. So, I got a lot of work ahead of me, a lot of work ahead of me. I'm going to take you off the tripod and I'm going to show you like the detail because you might not be able to see it this way. So, I'm going to take you off the tripod and I'll be right back. Okay, my sweet friends, that is it for this video. I hope that this video gave you some inspiration. Now, before I go, there's not much to this, but at least it's a jumping off point. So it gives me some inspiration to start thinking of fall and thinking of all the things that I want to do and where do I want to really go with my decor. So if this video did anything to motivate you, I mean, this arrangement was super, super simple. Anybody can do it. You use the colors that you love. You make the bow that you like. I like making these unsymmetrical bows that are like kind of all over the place. But in the end, they look really cute, right? Anyways, so that was my inspiration. Now, I want to say happy August. Happy Monday. Oh, happy Monday. It is a brand new start to a brand new week and a brand new month. Thank you, God. I am going to declare with you, for me, for us, for our entire world, that things go back to normal, that we get our lives back, that things turn around. You know, there's no more fear. There's no more illnesses. There's no more nothing that we got to be afraid of, that we find some normalcy in our lives, that we start living our lives again the way they were meant to be, hugging and I really miss hugging people, hugging and kissing people and shaking hands and, you know, chit-chatting. I'm declaring that for all of us. I think we're at a point now that it's been long enough. We need to get back to some kind of normal. I'm hoping they find a way. So that's what I'm declaring. That's what I'm declaring for the month of August. The month of August is going to be way better than every month we've seen this year so far. That's what I'm declaring. So I hope you declare it with me. I love you all so very, very much. I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. And I will see you on Wednesday. Yay! I'll see you all Wednesday. Bye, guys. Have a fantastic, fantastic day ahead. And a fantastic weekend. Mwah. Love you guys.